Alright, I pulled the trigger. I went ahead and got the aftermarket AKRAPOVIC exhaust system put in by the service department. I have a power commander put in, and I didn't take out the DbKiller yet. I didn't take that out yet. But I'm gonna start it up for y'all, then let you see it, let you hear it. No big deal. It's still quiet, but it makes the bike look so much nicer. Here we go. So, power commander, different look. I took the windshield off and added this right here. I was thinking about getting another bike, so to stop me from doing that, I went ahead and said I took off the windshield. The windshield helped out a lot, the one I had on before. But this one right here, it just looks nice. It makes the bike look a little meaner. So I'm dealing with this for the rest of the season, freezing my butt off. But this is what it looks like now, right here. So when I take DbKiller out, I'll post another one and then let you see it, let you hear it, and we'll take it from there. YouTube, thank you for being patient, and we're almost there.